I'm going right now.
Alright, Jay?
Yep.
Go away, Meg.
Megan, get out of the way.
Send it to Janet.
Look at me, Mama. Alright, now that's it. Let her go.
Here, wait, stop. You scrub her.
No. Her hair, John. That's not going to help scrub it.
Mommy! What
No,
are
it
you?
doesn't help. It just gets a hair in the
Weirdo?
pool.
It's fine. It's gonna take it out.
Mom's dirty hairs in here.
Hey. John.
Yeah, John, take her out. Come on, John. It's not a bath for. Take her out.
Mommy, you weirdo. Come
Yeah,
here,
the fish supposed to
baby.
be in there?
Here. Okay, roll down.
No, she can dry
Roll
herself.
off. Roll down.
She can dry herself. She'll DD.
She looks shot.
After all that work, then you slip her back out.
I know.
You can dry her face.
Come back.
I'm never going near that weirdo again. He's a weirdo. I don't like him.